Okay, calculus. Today we are just going to review derivatives. So the main derivative rules that you need to remember are the chain rule. All right, there are 3 parts. You need to take the derivative of the outer. And remember, that's always a blank set of parentheses. There should never be an X there. You plug in the inner as is inside that blank set of parentheses. And then you multiply everything by the derivative of the inner. And then you simplify. The second rule that we need to remember is the product rule. That is used when you take the derivative of a function that consists of 2 separate functions multiplied together. So you remember the little song. The derivative of a product is 1 d2 plus 2 d1. The first function times the derivative of the second plus the second function as is times the derivative of the first. The third one is the quotient rule. If you remember, the quotient rule song is even more fun. You always have to start with low. So low d high minus high d low, all over low squared. So there's the quotient rule, simplify. And then, of course, you have to remember the flashcards, all your trig derivatives, e, ln, all that good stuff. All right, so I'm just going to do the first one with you, and then your assignment is 1 through 10. So we'll do the first one. This is a this is a composite function. There's an outer and an inner function. So your outer function is ln, and your inner function is 7x. So composite function, that's the chain rule. So the derivative of the outer is 1 over something. That's the derivative of ln. The inner as is 7x, so that goes right down there in the denominator. And since this is a fraction, I make everything a fraction. For that last part, the derivative of the inner is 7. And when I simplify that, I get 1 over x. There we go. All right. Good luck with that, and we'll talk tomorrow.